all love having pizza. So here is a story of a pizza delivery man named Adam. उसका नाम Adam होता है. He used to work in shifts in one restaurant, and he used to fetch orders for that address that would make him the greatest tip. उन्हीं एड्रेस पे वो अपनी डिलीवरीज प्लेस करने की कोशिश करता है, वहीं पे जाने की कोशिश करता है जहाँ से उसे लगता है कि ये लोग मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छी टिप दे पाएंगे. सो वन डे the shop owner, the restaurant owner, asked him to drop the pizza to an unknown address. He was not sure whether he would make him a great tip or not, but he went as he was instructed. He went to that address and he was quite disappointed to see, as it was a very small house with a tattered yard. बहुत छोटा सा घर था. Then he rang the bell and one man came outside and fetched the order. He paid $1 as a tip for the pizza man and said, this is only what I have now. The pizza man was very frustrated as he had traveled so far from his restaurant to his house and for the small order, and he was not expecting it, but he went disappointed. He was going disappointed, जाने लगा. Suddenly what happened next surprised him. The man called him and his children. 5 children. He had 5 children. He called his 5 children and said, my dear children, do you have anything for such a nice man, nice pizza man who had traveled such a far distance for us? क्या मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आपके पास कुछ भी ऐसा है जो हम इस पिज़्ज़ा मैन को दे सके? इतनी दूर से हमारे लिए आए हैं पिज़्ज़ा लेने के लिए. The children stepped forward and emptied their pocket money to the pizza man. This gesture overwhelmed the pizza man. He went back to the restaurant and placed 3 large orders of the pizza and paid by himself. उसने खुद पिज़्ज़ा के ऑर्डर प्लेस करे और खुद ही उसके पैसे दिए, खुद ही उसने करा, पे किया. Then he placed that order to the same address he went just now. He had just been to. वहीं पे वो ये पैक करवा के वहीं पे उस फैमिली के घर गया. He rang the bell again and handed over to the pizza as well as the change he got by the children to that man and said, keep it from my side. That man burst into tears and said, how will I repay you? कैसे मैं repay कर पाऊँगा आपको ये? How will I be able to repay you? The pizza man said, there is no need to repay it. कुछ कोई need नहीं है. You just take it. I'm so overwhelmed by the generosity of your family that this is from my side. Sometimes giving is very important. Giving is very important than money. That pizza man who worked day in and day out for the large tips now paid himself for the food of the family and didn't take any tip, handed back over the tip of the family he got. He realized something. When the children gave their pocket money, he was feeling, how can I take it? As it was not very well off family, and when he gave the pizza, arranged the food for that family, उसे बहुत खुशी हुई. He felt something in his heart. He felt a sense of contentment, sense of satisfaction, an ocean of love flowing in his heart. That day he realized the sense of giving others is highly rewarding than any other thing, than taking it. When we give others, we feel so relaxed, so much above इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट मटेरियल थिंग्स, सिर्फ मटेरियल थिंग्स या फिर हम मनी, ये सब चीज़ें ही नहीं. वी कैन गिव much more things. We can give a small hug, we can share a beautiful smile, we can connect to the hearts who need us, we can give our ears to someone who need us. We just need to give what we have in our heart. Material things are secondary. Money is secondary. Yes, it is important, but it is secondary. When we give love, when we give fiction, when we give small things, we need not to do bigger things for this. We just need to do what we feel inside our heart. When we do this, when we give it to others, this emotion of giving makes us beautiful from inside, make us much happy from inside. And it is not that we haven't did it in our lifetime. We do we do it so many times, and we feel that yes, we feel an internal bliss. That phase, that moment when we give, we feel like we are experiencing an emotion that can't be depicted in words. So this story helps us to internalize that giving is highly rewarding than taking it. Whether it is a hug, whether it is a smile, whether it is any material thing, whether it is lending our ears to someone, whether it is emotional sharing to the person who needs us the most, whether it is giving our time which can't come back. So at least we need to give something or the other that makes us beautiful from inside.